can't wait for the construction to begin. May 12th, 2020. I'm in Roseville, California, just like any other morning, but this time it was completely different. I woke up with the overall sense, like the knowledge, like ingrained inside my being that I was supposed to go to Texas, take my family, take the company. Like I knew. I talked to a lot of people and they're like, hey, I saw this video where you were building your shop in Texas, or I saw this, or I saw that. And they know pieces of the story, but there's a lot of things that I've never talked about before. And it all started back on May 12th, which is today, 2020. I never thought about Texas. I didn't know anything about Texas, but I knew I was supposed to go to Texas. I was supposed to take my wife to Texas, my family to Texas, my company, the team. I walked down, Gina's in the kitchen, and I'm like, hey, Gina, the Lord told me we're supposed to go to Texas. I'm like, hey, I gotta go to work, but I'll call you. But I'm telling you, God just told me we're going to Texas. And I get in my car, I drive down to Starbucks right down the street. I get on the phone with a friend of mine that I had seen 2 years previously moved to Texas. So I text him, I said, hey, where do you live? Why did you choose that area in Texas? I go in, I get my coffee, I come out, he sends me this long text, tells me that he looked all over the nation for the best place to raise a family. Flower Mound, Texas was number 5 in the entire nation. And then he just went down the line on all these different things. We're within 3 hours of me waking up and God telling me that we're supposed to go to Texas. Now, for me, how would I ever move? I don't have a huge bank account. We're in the middle of COVID, and I have all these employees that have families and roots in California. But at the moment, none of it mattered because I just understood. It was embedded in me that this is what we were supposed to do, and I was absolutely obedient to that call right there. I made reservations to fly out to Texas with Gina. We flew out here, fell in love. Within 2 days, I went in contract on a house. And then I went back to talk to my team. I told them the story about how God had talked to me. I told them the story about the word that I got from the Lord, that I knew we were supposed to go to Texas. My team, many of them were renting apartments. California is so expensive, and I sold them on the idea we can move to Texas. You can buy houses for less than what you're paying for apartments. I ended up coming back. I saw all these buildings. I looked at 20 different buildings and hated them all. And then one day I'm driving down in Flower Mound. I'm looking to the right and I see all these buildings being built. When I came to the last building and I saw this water pond and I saw a golf course, and it was basically an empty shell, I just knew like I knew that was gonna be our company. I contacted the team that was building the buildings. I made an appointment. I sold myself to them, told them what we were gonna do with the building. There was nobody else at that time. We were first, so we ended up getting that front building. One of the greatest things though, we got the building in its complete raw state. So we had a shell, 40,000 square feet, super tall ceilings. I love tall ceilings. I always wanted to have a crazy shop with high ceilings and do it the way I've always wanted to do it. So it was just awesome that all the pieces just kept falling perfectly in place. And when you're on God's path and He's speaking, you're obedient and it is Him. Like things just have a way of just dropping so perfectly. Now I'm jumping ahead, but I want to get to the point of why I'm actually telling this story right now. This is May 12th, 2026. I'm in my building, but today it's a few days before. We're gonna release this video on May 12th, and my entire team is at home because May 12th is a national holiday for Titans of CNC. All my employees get to stay with their families every single year because it's the day that changed all of our lives because we were obedient in it. So we made it a company holiday. Now what would transpire moving on was one of the greatest periods in my life. Like I'm a builder, I love building things. So 2020 during that summer period was just such an extraordinary time. I kept flying to Texas. So I was working in California. I'm talking to the builders, I'm talking to the design team. I'm designing and figuring out how I wanted the media room, how I wanted the inspection room, the conference room, all of it. But we wanted a lot of space for the machines, like the power. Like we looked at the back doors and figured out how we're gonna put insulation, but the insulation is going to be black. We're gonna paint the walls black. The doors are white, but we're gonna actually put black panels on the doors. We're gonna go to the back corner, the 12-foot door, roll-up doors. We're gonna make one of them 14 feet. Let's cut it even bigger because we know that we're gonna bring in monster machines. And that was almost prophetic because we didn't have the machines at the time. They weren't on order, but I knew that this was the company that we were gonna build. And we wanted to show manufacturing on the highest level. God was having us come to Texas to build a content engine to change manufacturing forever. One of the coolest things is I would actually come back, I'd just go on my phone, I'd be here by myself. As I was working with the contractors, I'd just take my phone out, I'd show the walls coming up, I'd show the plumbing going into the bathrooms, showing exactly where the offices were gonna be and just explaining everything and then just speaking everything into existence. And you can go back and you can watch these videos, moving to Texas, building this incredible shop, and you can see all of these videos real time where we explain exactly how to build out a truly great manufacturing company, CNC machine shop, from the wiring to how we actually laid out the machines to process to all of it. You guys can watch all of it, but I want you guys to understand that all of it was because of one day. That was May 12th, 2020, our national holiday. The day I woke up and God imprinted. I didn't hear a voice. It wasn't like, hey, Titan. I just knew, like grains in my being, that that's what I was supposed to do. And a lot of people get that word, but you have to have the courage and the boldness to step out and be obedient, because he loves the obedience, and then he just blesses it and blesses it. And you were created for something, and now you know the rest of the story of why and how this company came together right here in Texas. And since that time, the Lord has blessed the company. We went from having about 100,000 students online to now having about 800,000 students registered, learning our academy for free. All the content we put out, 190 countries. If you guys wanna come to this facility, you wanna be around the craziest, most passionate people in industry, learn machining, learn speeds and feeds, learn complexity, learn all about CNC machining, sign up for our Boombastic show. It's the greatest machining show on the planet. Boombastic happens this November. It's on our website and the link is below. Come hang out in God's house, baby. Boom.